We are road tripping, boys and girls. Got the Starlink going on up here in the sunroof, and we're cruising in Chad's truck. We are headed to Kentucky to go ride at Black Mountain. Never rode in Kentucky, period, and I've heard Black Mountain's got some pretty spicy stuff there. We got the Flexhauler behind us with my new Pro R, the 26, and then also Murica, the Turbo Pro R, loaded to the gills that we're giving away. Plus, we're meeting up with some of the Dirt Army crew there. We got a couple hours till we're to our Airbnb, and we're gonna go over to Black Mountain because we also have a camp spot over there. See you in a couple hours. 20-foot Flexhauler's been coming in handy through here.
It was coming in handy about 20 minutes ago. Shit, bro. We were doing like 180-degree switchbacks. It was nasty.
I was taking a little nappy row. Dang, dude, we got tornado sirens going off and shit. So we're here at the Black Mountain Park, but it has been downpouring rain all day, like flash flood warnings, all sorts of stuff. So we kind of just chilled out, and we're doing a quick little repair on the old Pro R. I broke the winch line quite a few times, so we're going to repair it real quick. All right, it's finally beautiful here in Kentucky. We got the Pro R ready to go. Winch is all set thanks to Aaron. He hooked me up with a rope, and then also Austin's ATV. If you guys need some parts or anything, you're riding in Black Mountain, he is literally the only guy around here, and he's super nice. He can hook you up. I'll put a link for his Facebook page or something in the description. But finally, we're gonna hit these trails. We got 2 days of good riding, and there's lots of gnarly stuff here. The Flexhauler is so easy to use, a child can do it. We got old Trusty here, Murica, turbocharged on 37. So let's see what the hell we can do on this thing today. And we got Chad and the stock 26 Pro R, because his Pro R wasn't ready to ride yet. We got our personal gas station right here on Chad's truck, filling up the old Pro R. The Pro R's, no matter what, love to eat fuel, but put a turbo on it, she's even worse. And don't forget, guys, we're actually giving away that Pro R and this trailer and my Can-Am H11. Just head to dirtdudsutv.com or eqoutdoors.us. Either website gets you entered. Every $5 spent is one entry. Ends August 13th. Also, last time you're going to get to see these suckers in person, Crash Palooza 6.0 in Missouri, July 2nd through the 4th. Be there, be square. Black Mountain has some notorious climbs. We're going to see what we could do today, and then tomorrow, you know it's the last day, so we always get the rowdiest. And we're going to have our boy Ryan Winchester, known sender, out here cruising with us. It's always a joy when he can join us. We're going to pack up now and start hitting the trails. We are finally making it into the park. We got our first real challenge here, pinball. So we've been getting hammered with rain for the last 2 days down here. It is literally flowing like a creek down the trail. Oh, holy shnikes, a bunch of boys down there. Heck yeah, these trails are looking badass off the rip. We haven't even been here 5 minutes. Woohoo, this is what I'm talking about, dude. This is a rail bed, so we already did pinball. Some chaos down there we might try, but yeah, this is crazy looking. Wow, like nothing. So rail yard is up there, that's pinball, but here's like a little hangout area. I feel like I have to try climbing some of these. This looks so wicked. Nice job, making it easy. Yeah. It'd be criminal to not do it. Dude, look at how much it's flowing through here. That's wild. Wow, we went right up. Everybody did that, so I feel like I should maybe do that one. We've reached our next climb, which it looks pretty crazy. Chad's rocking the old 32s on the stock Pro R. This might be a wenching section. Oh my God, bro. What are we going up, Niagara Falls? Holy shnikes. Is this actually doable, any of these?
They said they can put up that left side.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That doesn't look doable. This just looks like you're gonna get hung up. You're gonna be sitting on your belly right here or dancing with the devil up that side. The top of the hill, there's 3 different climbs. Aaron's gonna go for this first one, which is very gnarly. He's got the right setup for it though. He's got some good tree kickers and then 2 gnarly like water climbs. These are the 2 water climbs. I'm going to go for this one, I think. That one looks pretty sweet too though. There you go, nice. Nice. Oh, you need shaking? Oh, there you go.
There we go.
You in 4 lock? Son of a bitch.
Huh?
That tire ain't spinning.
Again?
Again. Yeah, I think you might have to go forward. That one ain't spinning now? Oh, how lovely. So it is your front diff. I think the only way you're gonna make it is if you back up and pop it a little hard, but you're like wedged in there where you can't squeeze backwards. Go, go, go. Now you're digging a hole.
All right, well.
Yeah, I'll hook the winch up.
Yeah.
I mean, that was pretty gnarly.
It ain't gonna do it.
It ain't gonna do it. Tree's already getting yanked out.
I'm gonna get a machine right up there.
Yeah. Here, I'll go do the other climb.
Yeah.
Get up to the top and I'll park here. Never mind, we got a fellow companion helping us out. Thank you guys. Okay, we got our help up here. We got Aaron down here. He's gonna start wenching and he's our anchor. Damn front diff, man. All right, they're hooking another car up to him. Maybe here 10 minutes. Got the winch hooked up. Need 2 people to recover it. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Ooh. Hey, good thing you got that delete. T8 fab, cage, and fender delete on that mad mamma jamma. She's going.
Put me over.
Here, hang on. So these 2 vehicles are hooked up to the front of Aaron, and then we're gonna hook up this Kawasaki to the side so it don't tip over. 3 winches, 1 car. Let's see if we can get this sucker out of here now. There we go. There we go. Aaron's trying to finish it off with that front diff. Oh, cut driver. There you go. Aaron, keep your tires right there and see if you can bump it from that. Ah. These boys have been saving our asses for the last 30 minutes. There we go. Ooh, that was close. A little water in the old boot. Ooh. All right, that was a battle. So this is it. This is the climb I'm gonna attempt now. We got a full-blown waterfall going on here. That way it looks, I don't think that's happening. This one, I think I got. Chad's feeling super nervous because he's driving in my machine and he doesn't want to hurt it. I told him it's okay though.
Yep. You're taking care of it though, don't worry.
Yeah. He's driving right up this, yeah. Yeah, just follow the trail right to the driver's side up this. Yeah, driver's side right up. You got it, Jeff.
Grab that pack out.
Ah, you. Come on, Jeff, use that 4-seater cheater. There you go. All right, now we got the stock 26 Pro R, no winch, on 32s. I might as well go start pulling line right now because Aaron hooked me up with 75 foot, so I could be quite a ways away. Keep coming, right there, stop. Your rock fell, so it's gonna feel a little weird. Keep going, a little bit more, right there. Crank it. You might be able to get it right there if you commit. Commit. Nice job, Chad. Stock Pro R, bro. Stock Pro R. That was pretty impressive. That thing has nothing done to it. Just off the showroom floor. Went right up that. And those tires are not rock climbing tires. And if I had to guess, there's probably like 25 pounds of air in them. Aaron took a wee bit of damage. You got to enjoy this new setup. Perfectly clean for about 10 minutes, but not too bad. On to the next trail. We got fish fossil. This place is basically just driving around creeks everywhere. Damn, I didn't realize we could go this way. Aaron's going up it. That's sick looking. This place is just absolutely beautiful. Look at the freaking trail we're driving up, and this is our next climb. Aaron's going first.
You got a huge rock you're gonna stab into your front end here.
Yeah, that sucker right there is gonna do some damage. Put that tire right to it. Yep. Now start cutting my way. There you go. Oh, you had it. Your front diff's also working. I don't understand. Yeah, Pro R thing. Yep, now it's not working. If that freaking tire was working, you gotta be mean to it now. There you go. Oh, she worked periodically. She scooted you up there. There it goes. Nice. Damn, that smell belt. He burnt it getting stuck up on that rock. Wow, what a gangster. He didn't even go to the corner, went right up this scary section. Yup, nice. He's taking the same approach as Aaron. Ooh, not quite. He's getting it though, he's getting it right up it. Nice. Oh, looks like I'm going last. Yep. Nice job. Damn, even in the two-seater, right up it. Yes, bravo.
Those stocks can't do some stuff sometimes.
That's very true. So we made it to the top of the hill, and this is the next challenge, but I don't think this is feasible for us. Aaron doesn't have four-wheel drive.
No.
Let's see what type of boulders we're working with here. Oh, yeah, this looks pretty terrible. Doink to doink to doink. This seems doable though. Yeah, coming up that, you're leaning right into that freaking corner of that rock. Yep. You gotta hug your tire up that. It's a very off-camber climb. It looks pretty freaking gnarly. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow. We got 2 days of riding here, so this is definitely one of the harder ones we've seen now. Yeah. Keep that on the old checklist. Maybe try it the last day.
Why would you even try? I wasn't recording.
I wasn't trying. I was feeling it out.
There's no way. What the? Okay, hold on. Jeff literally was like, I'm not moving, so you don't go.
It's probably not a good idea. I'm going to do one more feeler outer. Yeah, dude! The ground is really, really soft. Alright, he's gonna come all the way up to this waterfall and come through here. Ha-ta-ta! You're gonna have to back up and then bump it! There you go. Woo-hoo. Like butter! You could be doing the same thing if you win this. So working up killing time here. Again, just another beautiful trail. But it gets pretty freaking gnarly. There's two choices here, but both of them look... Oh no, that one's not bad. We're down there. These are the paths that look the most fun. Oh my God, that is bad. All right. I'll maybe try this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to really hug it around here.
On this rock. This hill is actually a lot steeper than I thought. You're not getting that?
I wonder if homeboy here might help me.
That's the last hour winching this thing out.
We've been doing a lot of winching ourselves.
Winch broke.
Thank you, dudes. Also, pimp ass Jeep, dude. Thank you, man. I say we just tie that son of a bitch together for now.
We can.
We did not get the right hardware for the fair lead. and the fairlead just broke off because I had it zip tied, and that's what broke the winch line. So tonight we have hardware that will work. We just need to drill out that Super ATV fairlead a little bit, and we'll get it working good for tomorrow. Jeff's trying to get us to a train or something. What is it exactly?
The train depot, the locomotive house.
Locomotive house. All right.
I think that's what it's called. I don't know.
Have you been to it before?
Yeah.
All right.
Basically, they just used to service locomotives and shit over there.
All right, cool little scenic spot to get to. And along the way, you just get to do this gnarly shit.
It's been a pretty good ride so far.
Yeah, we've done maybe a mile. But that's my type. Yeah, that's my type of riding. We're going up Lower Profanity now. It doesn't look too bad so far. Oh, it definitely gets a little gnarly up there. It definitely does. It does look beautiful. It's such a fugazi, man. It's like, oh, you want to go up me? I'm beautiful. And then it just gets gnarlier and gnarlier. We're all here in these built machines. And Chad's out here in my stock Pro R kicking ass. 2026, right from Bob's Cycle. Straight out of the box. We're still headed to that train yard thing, but man, we came across a little collection of hills, so it's only appropriate if we hit as many as we can. Damn, that ain't nothing.
I thought you were talking about the other one.
This one?
That one.
We should do that one. It looks scary.
Yeah, that's the one I thought you were talking about.
It gets pretty aggressive at the top on this hill climb. I think this is the best one, so we're gonna stick Maddie up here. Here's the bottom of the hill. It don't look too gnarly, but that top section I know is. All right, I'm gonna give her hell.
Yep. Yeah. It's muddy. I'd go back a little farther and then bump it again. And you're about to drop?
I really gotta go for it.
Yes.
I'm covered in poop.
Woo! It's mud. There's that rock right in front of your passenger.
What dumbass thought he would make it up this? I didn't realize how deep this little hole was.
That
right
was
over
what got you the first go.
That worked out pretty well. I'm sorry.
here. Reel it back in. This ledge is full of poo, dude.
Fair enough. It's easier for me to do this. I agree.
That was too good. Yeah.
Oh! Yep, that was a dumb idea. I'm underestimating how steep some of these climbs are, and it is wet and soupy. This place is seriously turned into one of my favorite places I've ever been on the East Coast. I just love how it's gnarly climbs really close together. You don't have to do much traveling. We are trying our best to work in this train, but I'm trying to stop Jeff right now. Jeff, you gotta flap, my brother. Hey!
Jeff!
Jeff! Stop! You got a flat!
Bush Vic would have really came in handy right now.
Yeah, you can buy it at EQ Outdoors. Yep, right there. Yep. A little hole on the sidewall. Aaron has a sidewall lug. They're gonna boogie ass to camp, go and get it. Honestly, probably some of the weirdest series of events I've had in a while. This dude just hauled ass past us with no brakes, but actually has sidewall lugs, so we're gonna try fixing the tire. So win-win situation, because he didn't crash. Thank you guys, dude. I appreciate it. This is the homeboy that had no brakes coming down the hill.
I'm not gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, yes you are, dude. I wish I got you driving past us because that shit seemed fake.
I'm like, fuck, no brakes.
I love this. Yep.
That's all we use the water for.
It's getting dark here. Probably not gonna do any more exciting stuff, but damn, awesome day here at Black Mountain. And yeah, yeah, she's fixed. That's probably the conclusion for episode 1. Stay tuned though. Ryan Winchester is going to be with us tomorrow, and we're going to get super freaking spicy. So, see how it goes. Appreciate you guys. You're the bomb. Stay tuned. See you in the next one. Peace.